Yeah, my name is Mike Ellsworth. I'm the CEO of Koval Technologies. Koval is a manufacturer of a thin film single component coating, and the unique thing about our coating is it covalently bonds to anything inorganic. So compared to traditional coatings where you have mechanical bond required, you have a lot of surface prep, our coating is clean and dry surface, and it can go on completely smooth surfaces, and it lasts a very, very long time. We've met companies from Singapore that we've been trying to get into, and this is where we can actually get access, because sometimes you try to cold call a company, it's difficult to get the right people, they're busy, but if they're here to talk, and that's what we like to do. That's been a really good show. It's the first time we've been here. We got a smaller booth, kind of see how it goes, and it's been interesting. I think we've met some really solid companies, and we have some great leads, and frankly worth every penny.
Hi there, my name is Mark Samuelson from CodeLocks based in Australia. CodeLocks is a UK company, it's been around for 30 years, and we're now looking to try and expand out into the Southeast Asia market. I feel very comfortable being in a physical event. In Australia we've been quite up to date with all of our vaccinations and things like this, so I've come in fully aware of the potentials of COVID and other flus and things, and I'm very comfortable being here today. I think it's been a good show. There's a lot going on for the visitors, which has been great. We've had some really good conversations in regards to trying to branch out into the region. I think a physical event like this is very important. You're going to have a lot of people that might not have the inclination to go and click on a website or click on a link in an email or LinkedIn post or things like this. When they come to visit and listen to other people speak, they'll wander around, and that's when we capture them and have the conversations. I think it's very important.
Hi, my name is Henry. I'm with ATOS. Currently, I'm leading the Business Development and Solutions team. ATOS is a security company who is doing guarding and of course technology and services. We are here to exhibit our solutions in areas of security and FM and sustainability. Very good experience, of course, after 2 years of COVID, and now finally we have a chance to do face-to-face. It's also very good to actually meet a lot of clients and partners, as well as visitors who is here to understand what are we providing. Definitely a very good experience, as well as having the opportunity to meet overseas partners as well, who are here to understand what we're trying to do in Singapore. So it's definitely very good for us. At ABS 22, I think it's very good because of having a lot of different clients coming over here. There is also very good synergy between security providers as well as architecture providers. I think definitely a good synergy, and the clients that comes here as well are looking at two different perspectives. It's a very good experience to do some exchange as well.
Hi, I'm Richard from GRE Alpha Electronics. We're a lighting components and power supply company based out of Hong Kong. I am very excited to be introducing our lighting control solutions at the Lighting Asia 2022. It's been a couple of years since we've exhibited in Singapore, and we think there are exciting changes coming along. There's been an increased emphasis on ESG and also total life cycle management, how to recycle and to convert used lighting products into renewable resources so that you could use them again in the future to save resources. And the second thing is an increased emphasis on lighting control to save energy, as well as to improve the standard of living, especially creating ambient settings that are suitable for different settings such as partying or relaxing or increasing productivity at work or school. So GRE Alpha has been leading that change in trying to produce lighting control modules that can easily connect to any lighting systems, whether new or retrofit. The ABS 2022, we're so excited to be introducing our lighting control solutions that can help drive the environment, green environment movement, sustainability, as well as give our customers more control over their lighting systems.
I'm Gerard from IDA Technology. We are architects. In the process of our projects, what we do is we are actually trying to look for new innovations, new technologies to apply to produce better results, to have better designs and optimizations. So what we do as a technology company is we take these innovations and we package them into solutions and make it available for other architects, engineers, contractors and developers in the industry. I think it's definitely been a while since everyone's been at an event, and it's a good opportunity for us to show what we've been developing to allow people to have hands-on with the technology, because especially with something like virtual reality, it's not the same as talking about it. When you come here and try it, you get to have an immersive experience. Being at ABS 2022 has been an interesting experience. We've managed to catch up with quite a lot of our industry partners, which we haven't seen physically for a while. And yeah, definitely meet some new people from around the region as well.
My name is Ting Wei. I'm representing a company called Fire Armour Private Limited. I'm one of the business development managers at the company. Our company has been around for 40 years and we are a fire protection equipment supplier in Singapore. Our clientele base is pretty large and we also serve like the whole of government as well. It's always great to meet our existing customers as well as to make new friends as well. I think that's the greatest value add of exhibiting at a physical show. It is to meet people, it is to make new connections, meet new partners and to make new friends. So at ABS 2022, I feel very, very excited to be here. It's always good to be back at a physical show and to meet new people as well. Yes.
My name is Singh and I'm actually the Chief Operating Officer of Interlock Group. What we specialize in is in security technology and hospitality technology. I mean, we had quite a long time for us to actually all meet together again, doing so much Zoom and that the other. It's nothing like meeting physically, introducing our products and catching up with friends as well. Well, it has been very rewarding for us because we managed to win the Merlion Awards as well while we were here, and also it gives us a chance to actually exhibit all our products and what they do on the ground, as opposed to showing videos and that the other. They can actually touch and feel our products to understand how they work. ABS 2022, basically with physical presence, people can touch and feel our robotics. They can really understand what it does on the ground, as opposed to what we used to do before with videos, which sometimes can be not very convincing. So now they come here and they actually see what exactly our robots can do, and from here they actually familiarize themselves with the products that we have.
Company started in 1993 as a homegrown physical security company. Slowly, actually, we pivoted into technology because looking at the rising cost of the security workforce, we decided to actually move into technology where it can actually work hand in hand with the security officers, where the security officers' mundane work will be done by the robots or the technology that you can see behind what we have. And by doing that, the security officers themselves are encouraged by the government to take up courses, to understand technology, to actually beef up themselves as well. So if you look at it, it's basically working hand in hand together with technology and security itself. So that's how it all started. So since 1993 till now, our journey has been amazing. Being at a physical event is amazing after 2 years of being shut out totally, and being here is like, I would actually say, being able to express ourselves physically. You know, now we can feel, touch, see, understand, listen to what people have to say freely. You know, before that is all communication over the media, over the phone, you know, but now basically when they see, they say, wow. And that interaction between people makes things happen. Yeah. Being at ABS 2022 is amazing. I think it's a wonderful event. The organizers have done a great job. The number of people coming in here and looking at what's happening and the interaction between each exhibit themselves as well. You know, it feels good. You get to understand each other's technology, you get to understand each other's product, and I feel that it has opened up many doors for everyone.
My name is Daniel Ng. I'm a COO for Edge Technology, part of the Edge Group Limited. What we have today in this exhibition is focusing on green energy as well as our product that supports the green energy movement. Being physically here actually is very important. We can see our customer. Before the interview, I met some of our very important guests, and we are able to host them and be partners to able to see us in presence, and that give them the confidence that we are still very much active in the business. We came with a very lot of expectation, and the expectation seems to have aligned to our requirement in the aspects of the crowd. The business has a lot of visitors. Couple in the location like this in Marina Bay Sands, it helps to bring in the crowd. Yeah, I think we are quite happy.
My name is Christopher Low. So I'm a head of business in C&W Services. Basically, we are the facilities and engineering arm of Cushman & Wakefield, which is a global real estate service provider listed in the New York Stock Exchange. Today, we are one of the largest facilities management firm in Singapore. As compared to the past, during the pandemic period where we have most of the conference online, it definitely brings us a very different feel. Come face to face with our partners, our customers. We'll be able to basically showcase our products and services to them in a better way, in a more personalized way. It also helps us to gain a lot of traction in our sales and marketing campaign. ABS 2022 actually helps us to bring together a lot of like-minded business partners and associates, and it also enables us to have a very open platform to share our knowledge and experience with one another and how we are able to drive this industry moving forward.
My name is Ivan. So I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for Deron Singapore. We are actually a local SME. This time around when we join the show, we bring together with us the brands that we carry in the context of Singapore and also other part of the world. About 2 or 3 years that we are out of physical event. And I think a lot of time when we try to meet our customer over webinar and Zoom, we find it very tiring, or we felt the fatigueness have kicked in over many years. So now since the physical event has come back, I see many old friends. At the same time, I also see some of my partners from overseas that come by Singapore as we are opening up. I think it's quite refreshing. Every day people are smiling, people are joking around, and people are learning new things together. At ABS 2022, this year, being actual event that people start to walk in, right? I find that the people that comes in are very relevant when it comes to this particular context. Example, surveillance, security, and also building. The events that I attended to, the content that's within the event is very refreshing. It's very relevant, and right after COVID-19, when sustainability is a key component in our everyday work and life.
My name is Chris, so I'm leading the digital service unit within StarHub. And then we are actually here, right, to actually introduce ourselves, to make awareness, to bring awareness that we are also very green. We are actually bringing sustainability to our partners, to our customers as well, right? So we just want to tell them that we are also very into this business, and we would like to also find working partners with some partnership with some other vendors here, and yeah, that's right. I think it's definitely great, a lot better than virtual. Compared to last year, I think the crowd has been even increased a lot, and there's a lot of questions, and there's a lot more direct feedback, and also interactions that we actually get from the people who attend these, and even the face-to-face interactions, right? It clarifies a lot of communications. There's a lot of new technologies. We meet up with new friends, old friends, you know. Yeah, so there's a lot of learnings, right, that we did from other exhibitionists as well. So we see a lot of opportunities together, working with them as well. So I feel great being here. And yeah, I enjoyed myself for the last 2 days.
My name is Leslie Tan. I'm the COO for Software Race. Okay, we are actually a pretty new company. Yeah, we have been around for some time, but it's new. We are new startup. We are focusing on integrated facility management software, pretty much covering the physical security, cleaning, as well as maintenance. It's definitely a great opportunities for us to showcase our product. Yeah, especially for a new brand. Yeah, physically. Yeah, to visitors, I mean from the region, okay, as well as from the industry. This is definitely a very good platform for us to be here, to be at the ABS 2022, where you consolidate quite a number of industry and within the same event. That gives us even more opportunity to meet with people from a wider industry. That definitely gives us a very good chance to actually showcase our products, our integrated facility management platform to potential customers, and to potential audiences.
I'm Damien Tang. I'm the Chief Sustainability Officer of Unisil Global. Where you're standing is our Unisil booth at the Arc Expo. Well, I think this is a very good event, especially when we can see a lot of architects, builders, and industry players in this market. This actually allows us to share our solutions, because as a solutions provider, we believe in always updating the technology and the solutions that we have. And I think it's a good opportunity where we also get the this chance to display our product and also educate some of the buyers of how some of these solutions can really be sustainable and using recycled plastics. We are really privileged to be here and also having the presence, speaking to many of these industry players, and also being part of some of these conference and talks which I will be presenting today as well. So I think it's definitely an opportunity that I really enjoy, and I think my team as well, we also get to know new partners in the industry.
My name is Benjamin. I'm the CEO and founder for Speco. So we are the hygiene specialists and what I like to call the future of hygiene. I think I'm really very excited for this to be a physical event. For the past 3 years, essentially what we have been sharing with our customers is mostly through Zoom. We've been sharing and pitching all via the decks, and now we are able to showcase our new technologies and new innovation, whereby we are able to physically bring them around, demonstrate to them our latest innovations as well. In this ABS 2022, we have managed to bring some of our clients that have been supporting us for the past few years to this physical venue to be able to showcase to them what we are excited for 2023. So our latest innovations in terms of automation of sanitization, in terms of the new hygiene technology, how does it work, what does it do, we are able to showcase to them here at ABS 2022. Another thing that I'm really excited for is that we managed to outreach to new potential partners, new potential clients as well, on how we can collaborate and work together with them for their hygiene needs in 2023 as well. And this is something that I really appreciate the ABS 2022 for bringing it to us as well.
JE Home is actually a brand. We are a company where we manufacture recliner sofa since 20 years ago. So all the while, all our sofa we manufacture and sell in United States. In recent years, we decided to have our own brand, which this is how JE Home came about. Singapore is our HQ and this is our first store in Asia. And our store is actually at the first floor of McDonald House, more than 15,000 square feet. It's our first sofa showroom because we only sell sofa, no other furniture. We have more than 30 over design. It's good to see a lot of people around. It's good to see people and it's good to see crowd. We are actually just launched this brand not long ago. So we are happy that we are here and then to let people know about us. We have known a few business partners which the interior designer, we want to work with them and to know our product, then we can work with them. Yeah, because we actually look at B2B business as well.